So there is a pro-feminist media like Kompas TV and BBC, and also feminist politician like Rike, who really angry, upset, and emotional grieving about case of child grooming Aurelia. For your information, that Aurelia case already old, and she just make a book about it. So basically, Rike and Kompas TV, they just hear the rumor or the accusation of child grooming that happened to Aurelia by book. They already outraged and grieving. Remember, no investigation nor scientific evidence yet. They already whiny gender issues all over the place because of book. But here is the twist. BBC Indo, Rike, Dia Pitaloka, and Kompas TV alone on the other day relax, laugh, sex jokes, and even justified or normalize the strip of an underage boy, the exploitation of boy nudity, and the sexual abuse of ton of underage boy at public on mass circumcision that exists from era of great grandmother of feminist Kartini era till now at all city. Worse, they all even attend this quote unquote more worse than child grooming mass circumcision and see it in front of their own eyes. A hypocrite to the next level by Asian feminists and its superhero dude like conservative, right-wing, tradcon, neocon, anti-trans, anti-woke, religious bigot. When Kompas TV falsely propaganda if it is about girl victim, I comment on their post that if the gender war was like circumcision of boy, they alone will justify boy circumcision. Even if it's alone child grooming towards boy, like boy being stripped at public and being genital violated, and sometimes nurse molest boy openly. I wrote Kompas will cherry pick a picture where boy already smile and then say, look, it's okay, right? Then I check and I proven right. Kompas TV already make several article downplaying the sufferness of boy victim at this mass circumcision. Cherry pick picture where boy already smile and push the narrative that this child grooming against boy is somehow normal. Oh, not apple to apple, their excuse. Look, when Kompas TV make article about female circumcision, they use a religion, an imam, to spread their narrative that quote-unquote female circumcision is inhuman, extra, to push the narrative that only female circumcision deserve to be banned. And Kompas TV shamelessly admit their hypocrisy by saying on the same article, using the same imam, using religion, to push the narrative that only boy circumcision that is perfectly fine by using, oh, it's differentism to protect their double standard. I need to explain beside child grooming of boy at mass circumcision, type 1A, 1B of female circumcision that often been used is actually same with boy circumcision. Okay? About pseudo-scientific benefit of boy circumcision, you can Google intectivism and found many studies from Europe that show circumcision of boy is danger and the benefit is a lie. About hygiene or smegma excuse, look, female alone have an extra skin on their misfi that have a kind of liquid, right? Why not cut it off to be hygiene? The same with BBC Indonesia. Every time it is about girl victim, especially by men, BBC Indo very fast make a news about it and dramatize it, like with illustration of crying girl and evil man. But when two cases in a row about two mother who raped her own son, this BBC Indonesia not only very late in making that news, they even only put it at their hidden website and not promote it at their own Instagram. Worse, they try to downplay it by minimize the sufferness of boy victim, minimize the pervertness of Asian female mother, and mislead and twist it as, oh, the mother have no choice but to rape her own son because somebody she unknown threat her to do so. Apple to apple, same. BBC Indonesia, every time it is about boy victim of circumcision, they try to minimize the sufferness of boy victim, try to minimize the pervertness of Asian female nurse. But if it is female circumcision, BBC made propaganda to maximize the sufferness of girl victim and to maximize the evilness of men. Rieke Diah Pitaloka, in anger and emotional and grieving, preached about child grooming, Aurelia, which she get the information from book, preach about stop normalize child grooming against girl, punish the man, while also attend child grooming of boy festival, mass circumcision, which she can see with her own eyes, ton of boy being stripped naked at public circumcision, boy cry in pain, got sexual abuse and violated. Worse, sometimes nurse or female do an enough thing towards naked boy, where footage spread all over internet. What we cut from Rieke Diah Pitaloka, beside hide the crying boy and just show when the boy smile to frame like somehow it's normal, she have audacity to wrote caption female support female on child grooming of boy fest. I take it as a sex jokes. Imagine if the gender were reversed. On extinct female circumcision, there is a man who said, men support men. They will campaign again about stop sex jokes towards female bodies.
Gak adil lah sunat masalnya nggak dikasih horden. Mengeksploitasi ketelanjangan anak laki, ganti anak cewek aja. Juga sunat laki sama sunat perempuan sama-sama ada versi ringannya. Feminis media aja standar ganda macam BBC narasi SCMP.